Hello, my name is Natalia Aguirre, and I'm going to talk about my social responsibility projects, which were 5 this semester. The first project was planting an orchard with the Planilla Aqua. We went to a community in Escobedo that's really poor, and they had their own orchards, so they could grow their own plants and sustain their families, so they could feed them. So we helped them. One of the families, we helped them plant a few crops in their orchard like papaya and herb plants, and we also helped them water their orchard, and they kind of taught us about planting and sustaining themselves or sustaining yourself with your own crops, which was really interesting. And then the second project was recycling coffee pods. I did this project with other classmates, so we each recycled and collected pods from different coffee makers like the Nespresso coffee maker and the Dolce Gusto coffee maker, which use little plastic pods. So we collected the pods, we cleaned them, we took the coffee out, we rinsed them, and we put them in a bag, and we collected about 600. Then we went to Paseo San Pedro, and we delivered the pods to the Nescafe recycling center where they recycle all of their pods. The third activity was recycling cans and water bottles in Munemekis, which was an event that was 2 days, and it had about 8 meals. In each meal, they would serve the participants cans of soda and water bottles, and they were not being recycled. So what I did was I separated the water bottles in a bag and separated all of the cans in another bag that would later be put in their trash cans that were designated to each different type of trash, so cans and water bottles. So I separated through the 2 days, we separated all the trash so they could be recycled in the proper way. And then I cleaned a neighborhood park that was nearby. It was really filthy, so I took a bag, various bags, and some gloves so I could pick up the trash of the very, very, very filthy park, which was full of trash of wrappers and plastic bags, paper towels, different types of tissues, newspaper, and various things. And then I registered 10 trees that were in a park that's beside my house. I registered the trees that I most liked, and it was really, really fun. It was one of the calm activities that I really enjoyed, and I registered them in a page that is called Bosque Urbano Mexico, where you can register trees and find out their species through different physical characteristics. So these projects were really fun to do. They were kind of tiring, some more than others, but they really left an impact in me. It was something I had never done, and it gave me this positive view on the world, which made me want to do more for my environment, for my planet, and knowing that I can actually do things, simple things that actually do make an impact, and it makes me want to do more. And it makes me see that if I can think of creative projects, I can actually find solutions, because solutions don't really come easily. You have to be creative and you have to think outside the box in order to find solutions. So I think it was really fun to do this, because it kind of opens your mind to think, to be more open-minded about helping the planet and not be so lazy and think, what am I gonna lose if I go and pick up trash that's nasty? But it actually helps the planet, it actually helps your community, and you set an example. Thank you.